Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. Today I want to continue on the topic of faith, and I want to talk a little bit about my daughter, Jamie. Jamie and I have a great relationship. We talk about everything. And recently, one of the topics that she has brought up to me is about her mom, who passed away about 8 months ago from brain cancer. Jamie does not understand why her mom would have gotten brain cancer in the first place. As she puts it, her mom was one of the good people, and she should have been spared. And so she's angry. Jamie's angry, and she has said to me, "Why didn't God save her?" And I try to be helpful, and I offer answers like, um, you know, your mom is not the only good person who has suffered. There's lots of good people in this world who suffer. I tell her that life isn't fair. The world isn't fair. And I tell her that I too am angry. I'm angry that she didn't get more time to enjoy her retirement and to enjoy her kids and her grandkids. I'm angry that all of us, her family, did not have more years to be able to share with her. But at the end of the day, the bottom line is that there really are no answers to the questions that Jamie is asking. We are confronted here with the mystery of life and the mystery of death. And at the end of the day, I don't know why this happened. I don't know why good people have so many bad things happen to them. But I do believe this, and I believe this with all my heart, that God is with us no matter what. That God is with us through it all. And with that faith, we can be grateful for the time that we do have with our loved ones. And we can continue on and live our lives in faith, even after we lose someone who is so dear to us. Thank you again for watching, and please have a good day today.